Hello, my great people. In case you're new here, my name is Francis Tito and I'm from Limuru. Limuru is a small town in Kenya. So I basically create good content. I do videos on travel, I do videos about lifestyle and such kind. I've not stayed on YouTube for long. It's my second month, I think, and I admire my journey. I like it. Um, since I started, it has not been an easy one, considering that I started my YouTube channel on my vernacular language. So many might have come across maybe my handle, or you subscribed at a point I was doing content in vernacular, and even my channel bared a different name. But with time, change is inevitable. So with time I came to change, and with all the best intentions to grow my channel, to create a larger audience, an international audience as well, I decided to rebrand and recreate my channel. Yes, and I keep enjoying every step. But my videos, if you go down below, my videos, my first videos, yeah, I did them in my local language. All right, so I consider YouTube as a blessing, and I consider YouTube as a big thing. I might not say the next big thing because it has already been a big thing, but sure enough, it's the next big thing here in Africa. You know why I said that? Because in the recent past there has been an emergence of so many creators. At times I even look back and I wish why didn't I face my fears early enough and come forward and create content. But as the saying goes, or as people would tell you, or as it's common knowledge, that God's time is the best. And yeah, sure enough, time came and I felt pressed, I felt the urge, I felt like the need to actually come forward and be creative, create some content, make some good videos. Yeah, and it has been a journey. So it has been a journey. It's not been a smooth journey. At times you sit down and feel like you can give up, considering being an upcoming YouTuber. You're always, but I thank God, from the time I began creating my content, that feeling or that push has never gone. But this, creating content or creating videos, it has been in me for the longest time. I even have videos that date back mm, almost 10 years ago, only that I didn't know what to do with the videos. So at times I sit down and I start thinking or wondering, man, what if these videos I was pushing them, or I knew YouTube I would be posting them, I'd be a big name and whatnot. But it all then narrows down to what I've said, that God's time is the best time. You can't force issues, and maybe right now is the best time that you're blessed to uh you do content and you push content and you network. But basically I can say I love YouTube so much. Other than all the other socials, I think YouTube is the perfect social for me. One, because there's so many creatives. Two, you get to earn out of your hard work. All right, you get to earn some revenue. So, and three, you network. In YouTube, since I my first video, even though I was creating even videos, I used to edit some and then think I won't upload them, you see. So I can say I have gained a lot of knowledge, and you can note that YouTube is like a learning process. Every day I get to learn something new, you understand. Like for example, you learn like what it takes to be a creator. You start noticing like you're building a small audience, and mark you, the audience that you're bringing in is an audience of creators, you understand. Along with the audience or the views or whatever, you see some support running along. Yeah, you know. And like, so I'm comparing, and like when I started my YouTube journey, right? So me, I didn't even know like what should I do with this video clip. I've recorded, and then I upload, and then I didn't know even how to like the process. I don't know. Yeah, but it's so discouraging at times, because as any upcoming YouTuber will tell you, it's not an easy task to like make content that will give you views, or that will make you views, an audience also. It's hard like to like come up with some following, and then something else. What else? Yeah. So it's quite a journey, and you know, after all, you're doing whatever you're doing, all these videos that you're pushing forward, you've not earned a single cent. Yeah, you're doing it, I don't know if it's pro bono or you're doing it for free. But good thing, I must say, for those who want to be creators, for those who want to hop into YouTube, one thing that you have to have, all right? One thing that you have to have is the passion, the drive, the zeal. Yeah, you must, like I always say, like keep on keeping on, you understand. And then you give yourself time, because I'm 2 months into YouTube content creation per se. And yeah, I hopefully 5 years down the line, I still see myself creating more. I still see myself growing. Yeah, others might not grow as others would. Yes, but all in all, it's been a great journey. I'm hoping for the best. Actually, I'm thankful for all those who have supported me, those who have come along, and those people who've kept their continued support. And there are these people we've networked, and we've known each other, we've been friends. Yes, so let's keep creating, let's keep making the world a better place, man. You know, let's keep making good content, creating good content, and sure enough, all will be all right. So I will end my video here. If you're new here, my guys, make sure you leave down a sweet comment below, and kindly subscribe, share to your friends and loved ones. Adios, I'm out. Kwaheri.